Does your pet seem to always be itching? Hi, Katie here from Simply Earth, here to share with you an itchy skin roll-on for your pet. For this recipe, you will need 2 drops of Juniper essential oil, 2 drops of ginger essential oil, almond oil, and a 10 milliliter roll-on bottle. To make this recipe, I'm just going to add my essential oils and almond oil to my roll-on bottle, shake it, and then it's ready to go. Once all my ingredients are added, I'm going to shake it and reapply the roller. These oils will come together to help soothe irritated skin and ease itchiness. So you got everything you need to make this recipe and more. Subscribe to our Simply Earth Essential Oil Recipe Box. We're all about making essential oils easy, and this month we're focusing on using them for your pet. With this box, you get 4 full-size essential oils, 6 natural recipes, plus the extras you need to make them. And when you subscribe today, we'll throw in our big bonus box. This bonus box has things like roll-on bottles and other containers, plus things like almond oil and beeswax to bring your recipes to the next level. Subscribe today to get everything you see here and more.